Hey guys, today I'm going to make a fish sandwich in the air fryer. I bought this package of frozen gluten-free battered fish fillets at the grocery outlet to try, and they're pretty decent. I've eaten a few of them. They have pretty good amount of fish on the inside. It's Pollock, so we'll just put that in the air fryer right there. And then I'm going to use an English muffin for a bun, so that'll they won't be gluten-free that way, but I'm not really worried about that. But you can buy a 10-pack of these English muffins for $3, so they make good buns. I use them for hamburgers as well. So we'll get this closed up. Okay, I'll set this to air fry. Now the package said to cook them at 390 degrees in the air fryer, but I tried that and they didn't get very crispy. So I'm going to do 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. And that preheats, so as soon as it's done preheating, I'll pull the English muffin out and then let the fish patty cook. Alright, this is done preheating. I'm going to pull my English muffin out of there. That looks good. And we'll get this closed back up and let the fish cook. This just shut off, so let's see how it looks. Okay. That looks nice. I didn't turn it over. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Yeah, that looks good. I didn't have any tartar sauce, so I just used some mayonnaise and a couple of dill pickles there. And I have some homegrown tomato, so I'll put a couple of homegrown tomato slices on there. And put the lid on there. Alright, let's try this out. Those are actually pretty good fish patties. They actually have some fish in them. They're not all breading. I'm not sure how much Annie likes fish, but I'll give her a little piece and see what she thinks. Well, she ate it. I guess it's Annie approved. I think that bag of fish cost $10. So it makes a fairly easy, inexpensive meal if you like fish. I think there was 8 or 10 pieces in there. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.